It's official, you guys. Your girl is in Vegas. Alright, you guys, while in Vegas, we stay at the Aria Resort and Casino. Inside of this resort, you guys, is beautiful. It smelled amazing. Like, I don't know what scent it was, but it just smelled amazing. And the decor on the inside was gorgeous. The casino, the staff, everything about this resort was amazing. Look how beautiful the decor is for the holiday season. It's like a winter wonderland. All right, guys, so we just made it to our resort here at the Aria. We're trying to find our room. Hopefully they did not put us in the timeout corner, because the last time we went on vacation, we were in the timeout corner at the end of the hotel, and we heard everyone going and coming. So let's see where we are. So we're not at the very end, but we're very close to it. And we can also see the script a little bit. So let's see what the room is looking like. All right, you guys, so coming in, it's like this little station right here. I'm not really sure what this is, but this is, okay, a closet with robes as well as slippers here. An ironing board. Right here, here's another closet. Right here. This is the bathroom. Let's see. Oh. So, oh wow. So this right here is the tub and shower combo. We most definitely will be using this. And then in this door, here is the toilet. In this door right here. This is the bathroom and the sink. Right here. It's a nice size. And then you walk in. Here's the full-length mirror. Yep. And again, it's a desk, television. This is like the mini bar section. The lady told us do not touch it. She told us that these waters right here cost $25. No way. Again, there's the city right there. And here is the bed. I still have to figure out how to work the lights in here, but yeah, this is the room. It's spacious, it's really clean. It is up to date, but it's the perfect size for us because we'll mostly be out anyway. So I'll pick you guys up once we figure out what it is that we're going to be doing. Our trip to Vegas was to celebrate my husband's 35th birthday. This is some place that he has always wanted to come, and so have I. As you can see, it's always something to do. This is literally the city that never ever sleeps. You do not have to plan an itinerary to go to Vegas because it's always something to do. No matter where I vacation, I'm going to find me a bomb space. And there right there, it's amazing. Alright guys, so this was supposed to be an outfit of the day. I don't know what happened to this part of the clip, but I just have on my Aldo Griswold bag. My outfit is courtesy of Fashion Nova, and in Vegas you need to make sure you're comfortable because you're going to do a ton of walking. Another thing that I like about Vegas is all of the resorts are kind of right there together. Right now we're getting ready to go into the Cosmopolitan, and this resort is beautiful. It's like glitz and glam galore. Like everywhere you went, it was a different type of glam, and you guys know I love glam. And this right here, you guys, is Milk, and this is a dessert spot in the Cosmopolitan. Any type of dessert that you can think of, they have it.
This is so pretty. Look, I ain't stuff. What the hell they taking on tour, man? We ain't trying to go to Phil.
Babe, what did you do?
I hear P1.
You're going the wrong way.
Damn, I don't want to see this.
Go down.
We just seen these motherfuckers.
And right here is another restaurant that was inside of the Aria resort. And behind here is where Catch is. And you guys, everything again was so beautiful and nice inside of this resort. I wish we could have stayed longer, but hopefully next time we're able to stay here again when we do come back to Vegas. And since my husband has never gone to Sugar Factory for his birthday, he just had to have a goblet. So that was one of my treats to him while out in Vegas. The lights downtown are the main attraction to Vegas.
Now you can tell me what you're feeling, why you chose to take this road, but I'm not willing to keep up.
Hi you guys, so today is our last full day here in Vegas, and we actually have the housekeepers coming in, so we started cleaning up. Are we the only ones that clean up before the housekeeper comes, just so they don't know how messy we are? So we're about to get ready to go out to, is it Fremont? Fairmont. Which one is it? Okay, one of those. And then, what is it? Old Town Vegas. We're also going there. So today we're going to be doing a lot of sightseeing and just things we weren't able to do yesterday. The time difference had us tired. Plus the first night here we did a lot of walking around after dinner. We had a lot of drinks and we was just tired. So only thing we did yesterday was like walk around the Crystal Mall here at the Aria resort, and we went and had lunch and dinner, and we were back here asleep. We did play the slots last night, which was fun. We didn't win any money. We made it do that a little bit again tonight before we come back up and go to bed, because we have to be out of here pretty early tomorrow because our flight leaves at 10, and because it's the day before Thanksgiving, at the airport before we left Atlanta, they was telling us we need to be there at least 2 hours before, just in case, you know, like TSA is backed up or, you know, check in. So I do plan to pick you guys up while we're out sightseeing and enjoying food and things today. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. And this right here is a little outfit of the day. I originally had some Converse to wear with this, but I don't feel like it. So I'm just gonna wear my Crocs, jeans Fashion Nova, sweatshirt H&M, and yeah. So this is Planet 13, and if you know, you know. I will say this is a nice little spot for the adults, and me and my husband, we really enjoyed ourselves, and we also, you know, just enjoyed the vibe and the views as well. Planet 13. So now we just got to Fremont, and this is actually old Las Vegas. Down here, you guys, you will see and hear a lot. It's very interesting. I must admit, there were times I did not feel safe or comfortable, but it was an experience. And if you're going to Vegas, this is somewhere where you have to go. The vibe down there, you know, was a little sketchy for me, but I mean, it was a vibe. Trying out White Castles. Where we live at, we only have a Crystal, which is similar to White Castle. All right, guys. So this is what the White Castle is looking like. It looks just like a Crystal. These are the fries. I'm trying for the first time the fries. They are good. And they hot. I'm sorry, y'all. This is my first time eating today. I had to add a little ketchup with my burger. For me, it's good. It actually tastes just like the White Castle you get from the store. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my snack because we're going to what they call the heart attack a little bit later. I told you guys, you know, it's a little sketchy. I feel unsafe at times. People in Las Vegas, they have very creative ways into making money.
Making all kinds of plans. While the jukebox played out, to let me go now. You gotta be.
I have to admit, my time downtown in Fremont was a great experience, you guys. Look at the lights and just everything it has to offer. It's on legs. It's like a brown paper say, oh my God. You guys, Vegas was such a vibe. It was so much there to do, to see, and we were on a very short vacation. I must go back again, like all of the different lights, all of the different resorts that you get a chance to visit. In my area, I don't have as many stores as they have in Vegas. I mean, Vegas was a true vibe. If you're thinking about going to Vegas, stop thinking about it. Go ahead and book that vacation because you deserve it. It's always something to do or see in Vegas. This concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.